Hey guys, well, it is time to answer the question that nobody's been asking. Is my drone ruined or will it fly again? Now, you might remember a few months ago I had been doing some work on my new driveway and I flew up the drone at the end of the day to get some shots of my progress, and I lost sight of the drone and I flew it into a tree and it came down with fewer parts than it went up with. So I'm going to replace the props today, put a camera in it, and see if it'll fly. The motors seem to be okay. This one seems like it's got a little Captain Crunch in it. I don't know if it's just a little bit of dirt, but when you buy it, it comes with a spare set of props, so I'm going to switch them all out and hope for the best. Oh, cool. It actually came with 6 extra blades. Now, you might be able to see that they're color-coded. They spin in opposing directions, so you have to make sure that you put the correct rotational blade direction on the correct motor, otherwise it will not fly. Oh, man. And those suckers are on there. Whew. Oh. Well, apparently there was a special tool that I don't have. Ah, I got that one. Now you can see that. That's got a gray center. The opposite is a black center. So we will replace that with gray. And you can't screw it up because the threads are reversed for each one, so golly, gonna need a little help on that one. It turns out I do have my special tools. Oops, that's tightening. So this one has left-handed threads. Guess that only works on broken ones. Got one of each left over. Okay. That's a good sign. Uh-oh, that's a bad sign. Okay, well, it's not finding the drone. Well, I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on here. Let's try unpairing it.
Unpaired.
Press the power button on Karma when pairing is complete. The button flashes green. Okay.
Pairing successful.
All right. Let's try this. All right.
Acquiring GPS location.
No GPS.
3, 2, 1. GPS signal found.
Oh, now it's got GPS. Awesome. There's a nice shot of the driveway. Well, that's a relief, guys. I had honestly been dreading working on this thing because I was afraid that I'd get it back together and it wasn't going to work, but it does work. I'm missing one little plastic piece on the motor there, but I'm not worried about that. It flies, and that's the main thing. So we will be getting some more drone footage in the future. I'm still working on my sawmill video. I think you guys are going to like that. But until then, thanks for watching, and we will see you soon.